this to see clean water with a lot of mud. So it can't be something like that. It must be small river or something like that.
Diatoms were also found on Dario's sneakers, which were near his body. The next step was to see if the diatoms in Dario's sneakers could help determine the exact body of Dario had been murdered. To find out, on the expertise of Dr. Joachim Hurley, who specializes in the study of diatoms.
You look to the diatoms in the lung and you see the species, and the species about the type of river, the water quality.
Dr. Hurleman was asked to analyze populations in Dario's lungs and sneakers, and water samples from the region. If he could find similarities, investigators would the exact location of his many as 3,000 different species of diatoms in Switzerland alone. Dr. Hurleman water samples from the nearby bodies of water accurate